In this video, we will be talking about how to get qualified leads using PLR content, or how to use PLR content to get qualified leads. Thank you for stopping by. Amar here. So to generate qualified leads using PLR products, you need to entice the visitors to offer their contact information in exchange for something of value. It might be a free report, a training video, a discount or coupon, or something else, but it should be something they would be interested in. So to begin getting qualified leads using PLR products, there are four main elements to consider. And before we dive into this, please consider supporting the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and or dropping a comment. So first, the system that will allow you to collect the leads, and then the lead magnet itself, or the offer that you want to entice your visitors with, the squeeze page or the entry funnel, and finally the traffic to your lead page, to your lead magnet, or to your squeeze page. So stick around to the end of this video if you want to connect with hot prospects in your niche market and get qualified leads using PLR content, so you can instantly maximize your income and expand your outreach. So first of all, this is the system that I use to generate and get qualified leads. You have the software that allows you to create autoresponders, to create email lists, and then using a squeeze page, you can entice your visitors to give you your contact information in order for them to download a lead magnet. So the prospect's contact information will be stored in the autoresponder, and you can follow up with them with automated emails. You can also generate commissions using the bridge page or the download page itself if you want to promote something else here. So the application that you use to automate everything needs to be a good one, and I use GetResponse, which is a beautiful application that allows you to do multiple things and automate all of your email marketing business. And if you want to try this application for free for 1 month, you just go ahead and register an account, create a list, and start working with it for free for 1 month. I will leave my affiliate link in the description below if you're interested and if you want to support the channel. Now, once you have chosen your system and set up your initial configurations and your initial campaign, it's time to think about creating your offer or your lead magnet. And remember, the offer or the lead magnet should appeal directly to your chosen demographic. And always make sure to read the license, the PLR license that you have, and make sure that you have the right to build a list with that document or to offer for free. So when creating your lead magnet, try to think about what might appeal to your target audience. What would they be interested in learning that they don't already know? What would they be interested in getting a discount on? So most people put together a small special report as their lead magnet. It's usually 10 to 20 pages. You can go up to 50 pages depending on the subject. And this is exactly the point where we are interested in using PLR products to make this lead magnet. And for this example, I have this report here called 17 Hidden Blog Post Formulas, and I will show you exactly the source of this report and what I did with it. So this great PLR document is coming from this website here called plr.me. And actually this is one of my favorite websites for PLR products. So it has lots of categories here, and you can check this top category here, new PLR products, to find the newest products they are offering on this website. So PLR.me, you will find a link in the description below along with other sources of PLR documents. So here's the lead magnet as a Word document. It's a document of 60 pages, and it is actually very good. It has valuable information about blogging. It says 17 hidden blog post formulas. So it's teaching us how to write multiple types of blog posts. Like, for example, the first one here is how-to guides and tutorials, how to write this kind of articles for your blog. Second thing is news and current events and controversy, checklists, etc. So you have 17 secret blog post formulas that you can use for your blogging activities. So the idea is to target new bloggers to learn about all these techniques to write blog posts. So everyone that has a blog will be interested in learning this. And after that, what I did is I created this squeeze page here. Where I am offering, of course, the same report for free. Get free access to 17 blog post formulas. This is the call to action. I'm giving more information about the content of this report, and I also made a short video to give more information about the content to the prospect before. So here we are talking about the third step. So after you configure the system and the application to collect the leads and send automatic follow-up emails, which is the autoresponder get response in this case, and you also manage to create a lead magnet that appeals to your demographics. Now it's time to create a captivating, attractive squeeze page to collect the leads' email addresses. So it should always start with a big headline giving the main idea, giving the main solution for the lead, which here in this case it says 17 hidden blog post formulas, supercharge your blogging free. Discover a software that writes blog posts for you in just 3 seconds flat. So all these is attractive and makes the prospects want to discover more about this offer. So someone might say, but I don't know how to make such a page or such a squeeze page. Well, the answer here is always PLR, because lots of PLR products offer you the squeeze page with their products. Sometimes they offer multiple squeeze pages, so you can choose and adapt your squeeze page to your demographic or to your audience. Now, if you want to learn how to edit the squeeze pages or some graphics that you will be using on the squeeze page, all you have to do is go to the description below and you will find my other videos talking and teaching in details how to do that. So before I continue, please guys subscribe, like, and or drop a comment to support the channel, and I thank you very much for making it so far. But this is important for me, for your support is very important for me. So the last step is the traffic. So after setting up everything, the autoresponder, the lead magnet, and the squeeze page, now we are ready to start collecting leads. So what you need to do is to drive targeted traffic to that squeeze page. You can use blogging. If you already have a blog, you can put together a blog post and optimize it for the search engines, and also share it on social media. That's the first thing you can do. Second thing, you can create a video about your lead magnet, about the solution you're offering to your prospects, and post it on YouTube, of course, by optimizing it for the YouTube search engine. You can use forums. You can just search for forums that are talking about the same subject, and you go there and you participate and you give valuable information to that audience, and you can leave a link to your squeeze page in your signature. One of the great places is Quora. Quora has a lot of people visiting it every day, millions of people actually, and they are asking questions and answering questions. So it's a Q&A website. It is very popular. You can go ahead and start answering questions about that same subject, and you can leave your squeeze page link there. You need to give valuable information in your answers, and then you can link out to your squeeze page. Solo ads are one of the most effective ways to drive targeted traffic to your squeeze page as well. Of course, you start to search for vendors, and you do, of course, your due diligence and search for reviews, etc., and then you can order some solo ads. Banner ads is one of the ways I like the most to advertise any squeeze page, so you can make banners and search for networks to buy some banner ads. There are lots of actually traffic sources if you want to put the time and the work to drive targeted traffic to your squeeze page. So here is a recap of what we said in this video. To collect qualified leads to your autoresponder, you need 4 things. So first thing, you need to set up the system. You need to have an account in an autoresponder service. I like GetResponse. You can find the link in the description below. After that, after setting up your campaign inside GetResponse, you will have to create a lead magnet that resolves a problem or answers a question for your targeted audience. After that, you need to put together a squeeze page that will be attractive and that you will be using to collect email addresses. After that, you just want to drive targeted traffic to that squeeze page, and then you might sell on the bridge page. You might put an affiliate offer or your own product on the bridge page and also on the download page, and you'll be able to follow up with your prospects or your leads later on using automated autoresponder emails that provide great value to your subscribers, and also you can recommend products or services to make commissions. So again, thank you very much guys for making it so far, and please support the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and or dropping a comment, and I will see you on the next video.